In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move emails from inbox to specific folders in Outlook. Keeping your inbox tidy is easier than it seems, and I'll walk you through simple ways to move messages manually, plus how to have Outlook do it for you automatically with rules. We'll look at classic Outlook first, then the web or new Outlook experience. Start in classic Outlook by opening your inbox. Before you move anything, make sure the destination folder already exists. For example, you might have a folder called Projects. If you don't have the folder yet, go to the Folder tab at the top and click New Folder, then type the name you want. With the folder in place, select the email or emails you want to relocate. You can hold Ctrl to pick individual messages or hold Shift to select a range. Now move them in whichever way feels faster. Drag the selection onto the folder in your folder list, or right-click the selection, choose Move, and pick the target folder from the list. Drag and drop is quick. The Move menu is great if you want to be precise. If you'd rather have Outlook do the filing for you, create a rule. Right-click an email from the sender you want to auto-file, select Rules, and choose the option labeled Always Move Messages from that sender. The wording can vary slightly by version, but the idea is the same. When the folder picker opens, choose an existing folder or click New to create one, then click OK. Outlook will move existing messages from that sender right away and place future messages from them into that folder automatically. Using Outlook on the web or the new Outlook? Manual moves are just as straightforward. Right-click a message, choose Move, and select a folder, or simply drag the message to the folder in the left pane. To set up automatic filing on the web, click the Settings gear, choose View All Outlook Settings, then go to Mail and Rules. Add a new rule, give it a clear name, set your conditions such as the sender or words in the subject, choose Move to, and pick the folder you want. Save the rule, and any future messages that match those conditions will go directly to that folder. That's it. Manual moves for quick cleanup and rules for ongoing organization. Thanks for watching.